This 2019 Dynamax Corp DX3 37RB is a super CRV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dynamax Corp is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a Pumice, Brindle, Mocha interior, sleeps 7, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2019 Dynamax Corp DX3 37RB is built on a Freightliner M2 2106 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.